Hi, so for math today, we are reading a bar graph. We're doing the page that says at the brain drain page, okay? So let's read the directions. At the brain drain championship, teams earned points for answering trivia questions. Their final scores are shown below. Use the graph to answer the questions. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is find out how many points each team earned, okay? So we're going to write it on the bar graph so we know, okay? So alpha team here earned, so you go up to the left and they earned 10. So we're just going to write 10 in the graph. The lambda team, you go all the way up and over and they earned 9. The delta team earned 1. And then the gamma team earned 5 points. Okay, so this makes it easy to our questions. We can answer them right away. So, number 1, how many points did Team Alpha score? So you're going to go to alpha, and what number did we write? We wrote 10. So we're going to write number 10. So alpha scored 10 points. Number 2, did Team Alpha or Team Delta score more points? So alpha's 10, delta is 1. Which number is bigger, 10 or 1? 10. So Team Alpha scored more points. So we're just going to write an A instead of the whole name. Number 3, did Team Lambda or Team Gamma score fewer points? So which one has the least points? Lambda has 9 and Gamma has 5. Which is less, 9 or 5? 5 is less, so Gamma scored fewer points. So you're just going to write a G. Number 4, which team scored 5 points? So look at our numbers. We have 10, 9, 1, and 5. So we go down to 5 and we have Gamma. Gamma scored 5 points. So we're going to write a G. Okay, now number 5. It says, what is the difference in the number of points lambda scored and the number delta scored? So we're going to need to subtract. So we want to subtract the delta and lambda. So lambda is 9, delta is 1, so you're going to go 9 minus 1. Now I have it written on another piece of paper, but you could write it just here if you want. And you could just go 9 minus 1 equals. So I have mine here. So I have 9 minus 1. So we go 9, we're counting backwards, so 9, 8. So 9 minus 1 equals 8. So the difference between lambda and delta is 8. So then you're going to go up to 5 and write 8. Number 6, what is the combined points scored by delta and lambda? So now you want to add them. So remember, delta is 1, lambda is 9. So you're going to go 9 plus 1. So I have 9 plus 1. Remember, you're going to count up now. So you're going to go 9, 10. So 9 plus 1 equals 10. So you're going to write 10 on line 6. Okay, so now we're going to do number 7. Which team scored the most points? So you look at all the numbers and which is the highest number. Is it 5, 1, 9, or 10? 10 is the biggest number, so who scored 10 points? Alpha. So you're going to write A. Number 8, which team scored the fewest points? So which team scored the lowest amount of points? We have 10, 9, 1, and 5. Which is the lowest number? 1 is the lowest number, which is delta. So you're going to write a D for delta. Okay, so number 9. How many more points did Alpha score than Team Lambda? So Alpha scored 10 and Lambda scored 9. Here we are subtracting, okay? So you're going to go 10 minus 9 equals, and we're going to figure it out. So we have 10 minus 9, so we have to count backwards. So you're going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So our answer, 10 minus 9, is 1. So it says, how many more points did Team Alpha score than Team Lambda? They scored 1 more point than Team Lambda. And now, in question 10, it says, how many fewer points did Team Lambda score than Team Alpha? So Alpha had 10, Lambda has 9. So you're doing the same problem. You're going to do 10 minus 9 again. Equals 1. So our answer is 1 because we saw that Alpha had 1 more point than Team Lambda, and Lambda has 1 less point than Alpha. And that ends our math lesson today. I hope you enjoyed.